Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Addlon Floor Lamp with shells. It has 4 tiers. Installation was super easy and it took me about 15 minutes. This is a really nice floor lamp. I like it. It's budget friendly, and this is the 4-tier 64-inch floor lamp. Now, one of the things that I really like about this lamp is it has 3 different color temperatures. Of course, you got your off. There's 1 temp, 2 temps, 3 temps. They're very nice. So the lamp has a nice long cord, and the pull chain is very easy to get to and operate. I do like the fact that they've got these little cord holders, and you can kind of hide the cord on the back of the lamp. Let me cycle through the 3 color temps with more of a close-up of the linen light shade. Give you a look at the different colors. Very nice. That's a nice warm color right there. So as you can see, this light really looks nice in our living room. I think that's where my wife is going to put it. Let me also change the colors, give you different looks at the color temps. And there we are back to the warmer tint. I think that one right there at night would be my favorite. We like it. My wife really likes it. I think you will too. So if you're watching this and thinking about this lamp, I hope you found my video helpful.